So for this project I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 and 7.5mm crochet hook, a bigger crochet hook than the recommended one. We'll start right away with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 46. So here I'm done with the chain, and what I'm gonna do next, skip 2 and half double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in, chain. Half double crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Row 2 I'm gonna chain 2 and half double crochet in every stitch. So I'm gonna repeat the same for 33 rows with this color, and then I'm gonna change color to the blue one. So each color will do 33 rows and 1 yarn ball each. You'll find all these details in the description, in the written pattern linked in the description box. So I'm left with 2 stitches, and now I'm going to show you how to change the color. So put this thread on the side, bring the new color and put the loose end together with the previous yarn. Insert the hook, chain 2, bring the 2 ends to secure over here. Oops. And start working. Half double crochet. Very simple. And continue working as per pattern. I'll come back to show you the next step, how to stitch the pillow cover. So here I have done 33 rows of each color, and now we're gonna see the next step, how to stitch everything together before we insert the pillow cover. So it's very simple. I'm gonna fold the piece in two, and then I'm gonna stitch everything on the side with a single crochet. Just a single crochet over here and over here, or you can use a tapestry needle, but I'm gonna single crochet because it gives it a better look. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the buttons to close the pillow cover. So I'm gonna pull through to secure the yarn. Now I'm gonna put both sides this way. I'm gonna insert the hook in both and bring the yarn. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same space. And I'm gonna single crochet in each stitch. Just single crochet. So for the button I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 and 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start by making a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. Gonna make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Just be careful because the yarn is thick and the crochet hook is thin. I'm gonna join to the beginning stitch. Okay. I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Okay. Join to the beginning stitch. Now chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. I will alternate 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch until the end of the round. And again join to the beginning stitch. Now the last step, or before the last step, I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch. So this is how you make a simple button. What I'm gonna do next is optional, but it's easier if you don't want to stitch the button into whichever piece you're preparing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chain 10, but for you, you can chain as much as you need depending how big is your project. So 1, 2. And I'm gonna simply come back to the starting point and slip stitch. So this helps me to attach my pieces together without having to stitch the button into the piece itself. Here you can pull through. You can make a bigger one, but I'm fine with 10. So I'm making this for a pillow cover. So what I'm gonna do is just insert the button like this, so it closes the pillow. So this is the pillow cover completed, and now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna place the 2 buttons. So these are the buttons I did crochet, and then we're gonna insert the loop. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna insert the loop over here in between the stitches and bring it to this side. Like I said, I did chain 10, but you can chain 15 if you want it a bit loose. So I'm gonna close like this, and I'm gonna close it with this button. I'm gonna secure it with a button. This is how it looks like, and the second one. And that's it. And this is my pillow completed. Easy, quick and fun to make, with a fun closure as well. Or you can stitch it if you wish. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And as always, don't forget to check the written pattern. Until next time, take care, bye bye.